guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Jasmine, aka Jazz Dash, and today we will be cash stuffing my very first paycheck of 2022. So this is my first paycheck in January, and my voice may sound a little different. I am a little sick. I don't know if it's the little new thing happening going around or if it's just a cold, so please excuse me if you hear some sniffling. Don't worry about it. So we might as well just hop into it. I will be cash stuffing today $352. So we're gonna count to make sure it's 352. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210. So that's 210, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 300, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 345, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, and 52. So we have our 352. And a lot of my envelopes today are going to be getting $5 because I told you I'm not really focused on the sinking funds this year. I'm really focused on stuffing my savings challenges. So let's get started. And I'm also going to be transferring the money from my old binders to my new binders, but then I'm going to be getting more new binders. So you're going to be seeing a lot of new binders. So just beware. This is going to be weird because all my binders, I don't think, are in order. So gas still has 25 in there. So we're just gonna put that in the back. And gas will be getting 50. So 25, 20, wow, 5. How am I going to do this? And my binders are over here next to me, so let's see. So gas has 20, 40, 45, and 50. Or did I say new binders? I meant new envelopes. They're getting new envelopes, not new binders. Spending still has 5 in there. And it is getting another 5, or not 5, 2, a 10, and 2 5s for 20. Okay. Beauty is getting $5, so let's find this beauty envelope. And right now we have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and 45. And we're getting another 5. So now we're at 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 50 in beauty, which is a nice amount because I haven't been doing much to my hair besides like washing it. And the way my scalp is set up, I have to wash it so much. So car, I took all the money out of car because I had to get an oil change, and I have a free oil change for life car, but the oil change place was booked and busy, so car is just getting 5 today. So now it only has $5 in there. Christmas has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, and we're adding 5. So now Christmas has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95. I know this is probably all over the place. I probably could have did this in another video, but the way I'm feeling, it's like I'll just be trying to lay down. Emergent. Oh, hold on. Let's not get sidetracked. 95. Okay, emergency has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10. And we're putting 25 in here. So now it has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So we're at 135, which is amazing. Extra we will do at the end. What's left in here? Gaming and okay, we're going to take this out because that's in my next binder. Is medical? No. Yeah. Okay. I'll just put that up there. So shoes, we don't have any more extras coming. So our home binder or our home envelope has 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, and it's getting 5. So now it has 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45. What is happening? Okay, my envelope is getting 15, but right now we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, and we're getting 15. So now we're at 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. In my envelope, my mom didn't send me her money for my sister. How much did I say? 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Maybe I should talk less so that way I can remember. So yeah, my mom didn't send me her money for my sister, and she told me to take my brother's money out of his envelope. I tell you, I have so many envelopes. So I'm gonna take this money out of his for her. It's not much, but in hers, she has 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, plus this little bit from him, which is $4, and then her normal 15. So now she has 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, and 64. So now she has 64. I tell you, this money just do not want to go in these envelopes. You think they too small or something, and I know they're not. So she has 64. Medical is this envelope. And in here, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Adding another 5, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Okay, school is here. So school has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. Oh, hold on. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So we're at 150 in school, and it's getting a 5 today. So now we're at 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, and 55. So 155. Subscriptions is here. And it has 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. Getting 5. So now we're at 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 45. I can't wait until I actually like buff this up so much. Well, not this one, but just the rest. Travel. Our good old travel savings has 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, and is getting 25. So now it has 50, 70, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Has 140 in travel. Okay, now let's go back to my extra envelope and take all this money out. So extra, because shoes and gaming are going to go into extra. So these are now empty. And then this one is now empty as well. Okay, so extra will be getting 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 59 from my envelopes, plus I think I budgeted for 62, 65, so 50, 60. Am I missing a 5? I am.
A few moments later.
All right, you guys, I figured out what happened. So I did my savings. I don't know if you could see. I did it as 30 and I just did it as 120 and 110, which I actually needed 2 10s and 2 5s. So I have this extra 20 here that I need to make change for. So let's see. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 19, 20. Alright, so I don't want all these 10s in my cash envelopes, so I'm going to switch these 10 ones out for this 10. So the extra could just have all the ones back, really. So, let's see. So all of this will be going into extra, even from my cash envelopes. What? 5, 5. Okay. So let's see exactly how much is going into our extra envelope. So we have 50, 70, 90, 100, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So we're adding 150. What is happening? We're adding 154 to what we already have. So all right. So now all that's left to do is count and then stuff our 100 envelopes. So in extra we have 100, 200, 50, 70, 90, 310, 330, 340, 350, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So this is 375, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. So we have 399 in our extra envelope. And if you notice that the number is lower, I have been taking money out of here. So yeah. So, oh, that's thick now, but that's okay. So that's stuffed, and we're going to move on to my 100 envelope box. So we're doing 16, 17, and 18. So in 16, we're doing 32, so 20, 31, 2. And 17, we're doing 34, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I the only one who don't like the smaller bills facing outwards? I don't know. I feel like I want you to know I got big bills in here. Like, and 18 is 20, 35, 6. It just makes it look so much better with the big bills facing out. All right. So that's everything, you guys. And I know everything was kind of all over the place with me transferring my money from my old envelopes to my new envelopes, but it's probably gonna happen again because I'm getting new envelopes, so don't worry about that. But we will get it together. I told you January is our day for figuring everything out, and hopefully this year I stick to these envelopes all year. Because knowing me, I love to switch things up every other month, every other 2 months. But hopefully we stick it out. So I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.